Do you guys know how the General Fund game show works? And we test our contestants beyond their abilities and capabilities. Is that the same word? Anyway, we'll find out in the YouTube comments later. In alphabetical order, name all the cast members that will be appearing on Amazon Prime Video's Improv All-Stars Games Night.
Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan.
All right, Janvi, would you like to go?
Yes.
Bye.
Put your hands together for your host for this evening, Miss Kuni Sarkar! Already like how much we'll do. Welcome to the General Fund Game Show episode 4. Do you guys know how the General Fund Game Show works? There are a number of rounds, and we play these rounds and we test our contestants beyond their abilities and capabilities. Is that the same word? Is abilities and capabilities the same? But anyway, we'll find out in the YouTube comments later. As you can see today, it's the setup's different because we have 4 contestants instead of the usual 3, and that's because I'm doing a special show tonight where I'm showcasing the cast members of the Improv All-Stars Games Night, which is a show I hosted and developed for Amazon Prime, coming out later next month. Yeah. So these guys are going to be on that show, and I wanted to just bring them on this show, just use my own show to promote another one of my own shows, because no one else will do it. I'm like, I'll do it. I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to introduce you to the contestants for tonight. Our first contestant is a veteran on the game show. He has been on the game show twice, and this is his 3rd time. And he can't get enough of this show. And we can't get enough of other people, so we have to keep calling him back. So please put your hands together for Mr. Rahul Subramanian! Our next contestant is an improv all-star in this country. She is not only a woman.
Oh, she.
She is not only a woman, but she is also a woman of substance. She is outstanding. She is outspoken. But luckily, she's not from outstation, so she could come here today. Please put your hands together for Miss Janvi Dave! It was a moment. We're going to be having a lot more moments here tonight. Please give it up for Janvi Dave, ladies and gentlemen. All right, our 3rd contestant for the night and our 2nd last one. He is a part of a very famous comedy collective called Shits and Giggles. That says it all. Because when you see him up here tonight, you'll be giggling so much you'll shit your pants. So please give it up for none other than Agar Malik! Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
My fellow Muslim.
Sometimes she puts me on a leash and shows me off to her friends.
I do. I'm like, Muslim.
देखो हमारा मुस्लिम है घर पे.
3 बार बोलना पड़ेगा ना, घर पे.
Classic Muslim.
Last contestant, ladies and gentlemen, who could it be? Keep it in your pants, girls. And boys, apparently. Everyone, keep it in your pants, because this guy is none other than one of the comedians in the comedy industry. And his name is Biswa Kalyan. Contestants, you know how today works. We have We have 4 rounds, which will, like I told them earlier, will test your skills. But we also have a surprise round and a new round that we'll be introducing today on the game show. All right, guys, we're going to start with round 1, which is called Rapidly General. How fast are your unglis? So are you guys ready for question number 1?
Yes.
Yes. What is 1 plus 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 383? Who pressed the button? Yes, Janvi. I need an answer immediately, please.
390.
Whoa! Is that your answer?
Yeah.
That is the correct answer!
390?
Yeah, it's 7-1.
We could see that she was guessing.
1
Math.
plus 1 plus 1 plus
Bitches.
1 plus 1.
Yeah. Janvi Dave gets the first 10 points of the night. All right. Guys, question number 2. How many planets are there in the solar system? Yes, Adar.
Yes,
Rahul.
I pressed.
Rahul, yes.
9 planets.
That is the incorrect answer. Yes, Adar.
8.
That is the correct answer.
Pluto was reinstated as a planet recently.
Earth is not a
Off. Please. Pluto was not. Pluto
Also
was not.
Recently
Also, Mars is a chocolate, okay?
Yes.
And
Venus is a channel.
Yes.
you know, Mars is my favorite planet.
Yes.
Please stop all the branding until they give us money. Not really. All right, well done, Adar.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
thank you.
10 points for Adar Malik.
I was confused about Uranus, but no.
Yeah. That joke never gets old. Am I right? All right, question number 3. And this is a toughie.
Oh,
but
shit.
Not ready. Okay.
fair.
In alphabetical order, name all the cast members that will be appearing on Amazon Prime Video's Improv All Stars Games Night. Rahul.
This is so simple. Adar. Correct? The first
No,
guy.
no, you've got.
We have to do it fast.
Yeah.
Biswa. Adar, Biswa, then Danish, then Kanis, Janvi, Rahul, and there is Radhika. Radhika, Rahul. Adar, Biswa.
That is the incorrect answer. Would anyone else like to try? Yeah, press the buzzer. Yes, Mr.
Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan, Kanan Gill.
Wait. Cast. Okay, the cast is Hindu.
Oh, cast.
One Muslim. Then there's
Muslim cat.
One Christian.
1 Muslim. 3 Muslims.
2
Yeah.
Muslims.
3 Muslims.
Oh, Danish, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, no one got. All right, no one got.
Sonakshi Sinha.
I agree with Biswa.
I'm generally fun guy.
All right, Janvi, would you like to go?
Yes.
Go.
Bye.
How fucking coordinated are you?
Wow.
Wow.
How old are you guys? Oh, man.
21.
Well, I mean, that deserves a round of applause at unison. You'll be seeing more of that on the Improv All Stars Games Night on Amazon Prime Video. Janvi, please,
Yeah.
go.
So it's Adar, Biswa, Danish, Janvi, Rahul, Radhika.
It's Radhika and
Kanis.
One second.
Kanis.
Yeah, now. -5 for Janvi for getting the main person. No, guys. Yes.
Adar, Shahrukh, Salman, Sonakshi.
No one gets points for this one except Janvi, who gets -5.
Zebra.
The next question. What religion do I follow? Yes, others.
South African.
Yes, this one.
Improv.
दिल पे खेल गया.
That wasn't the answer, but I like this one better. This one gets 10 points. All right. This is a very, very tough question.
I want.
Name all 7 of Voldemort's Horcruxes. Yes.
Okay. Tom Riddle's diary.
Yes.
The Marvolo Riddle's ring.
Yeah.
The snake. Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Yeah, Harry Potter.
yeah,
Harry
yeah.
Potter. Shut the fuck up and get out of here. The locket, which
Yes.
was the Slytherin
Yes.
locket.
Yes.
Then it was the cup, the
Yes.
Hufflepuff cup,
Yes.
and Ravenclaw's tiara.
Oh my! Give it up for Adar Malik. 10 points for him.
I want to give him 10 points. Oh, I don't have.
You guys want to give each other points, you can.
I want to give him all of my points.
Thank you.
And my Horcrux.
Congratulations, you've made it to the end of round 1, all of you.
There's a chance we wouldn't have made it to the end of the round.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
What if we kept passing points?
Yeah. So after round 1, could we please have the scores? Janvi Dave on 5 points. Biswa Kalyan Ratan,
Are
10
zero.
points. Adar Malik on 20 points.
Wow. What a play.
And Rahul Subramanian on 25 points. Which means Rahul is leading after the first round. And now we're going to go on to our second round, which is Yeah, Kitna Ka Hey. All together. Yeah, Kitna Ka Hey. Yes. In this round, I have chosen a number of products, and you guys have to guess the price of these products.
Yeah.
The current price as of what I googled yesterday. All right, so could we start? Oh, on this round, you will not be buzzing your answers. You have markers and you have cue cards on your podiums. All right, guys, so you'll write your answers down. I'll give you time and then you will reveal the answers.
Yeah.
All right, the first one is, how much is Ashirwad whole wheat 5 kg?
Depends on how much your grandmother loves you.
Easiest question ever.
Ashirwad whole wheat 5 kgs. Atta for roti and paratha. And puri.
5 kg, right?
5 kg.
5 kg.
All right, can I please have your answers? We will start with Janvi. Janvi, how much do you think it costs? Please, can you show us?
Oh, 258.
258
तूने
rupees.
डिस्काउंट दिया क्या कार्ड?
Okay. Biswa, what is
Discount
your
मैंने दिया है 250 rupees.
250, 258?
258?
250. Whoa, Rahul, how much? 250. Whoa. And you two, everyone's so close. The answer is 191.
So 250 wins.
250 wins.
Which means Rahul and Biswa win. And
Garib.
and you get 10 points each.
अपन 60 रुपए ज्यादा दे रहे थे फालतू में.
Our next product.
बढ़िया देखो
on
चूतिया बना रहे थे.
yeah, kitna ka hai? Oh, our next organic pomegranate 1 kg.
1 kg. Oh.
See what I did there? I bought
1
Biswa's
kg
joke.
pomegranate.
1 kg of pomegranate, organic
में बिकता है क्या?
pomegranate.
1 kg में 4 आएगा रे.
How much does 1 kg or 4 pomegranates cost?
But organic as in
Yeah.
okay. It's from Big Basket or something?
Maybe.
Okay.
All right. Can I please have
Sorry,
your
I don't have it yet. Hold on. Yeah.
All right. Could I please have your answers? Rahul, we'll be starting with you.
I'm actually more a watermelon kind of guy.
Yeah?
But
Oh, man. 140 rupees.
शादीशुदा आदमी.
80 rupees, Adar Malik. Janvi Dave, how much have you said? 300 rupees.
शादीशुदा औरत.
And Biswa?
175.
Oh, does anyone in the audience know the answer?
200.
How much?
200.
200. The answer is 128.
why did you start?
I don't know why I said that. I don't know why I said that. Which means Rahul Subramanian gets 10 points.
Can I donate the points to Adar?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, our next Next,
I would like to donate my points to Cry organization.
no, it doesn't.
I was adding tip money to delivery guy.
Yes.
That's
I'd like
very
to give
sweet.
my money to Sue.
That's very sweet. 2 points for Biswa.
Okay.
All right, our next product is Times of Indian newspaper. No. No. Okay, you covered it.
No. With Navbharat Times 850. So,
How much does this newspaper cost?
नवभारत टाइम्स का वैल्यू क्या है अभी उससे माइनस करके सोचना पड़ेगा.
नवभारत टाइम्स का 3 रुपया.
I want you to know who
With
reads
ET
newspapers.
or अच्छा
ET.
What is the price? Could I please have your answers? We'll be starting with you this time, Biswa. What is your answer?
4 rupees 50 paise.
4 Janvi, 6 rupees. 450. Wow, you guys are like thinking.
Yeah.
5 rupees. And the answer is
350.
450.
तो क्या 5.5 बोला तू?
What? You guys next to know you get your periods together. You think is happening.
We already get our periods.
चल रॉक
points.
क्लाइंबिंग करते हैं.
10 points for Rahul and Biswa Kalyanrat. And our last item on the list is Durex Pleasure Me packet of 10.
Who's that?
Want to put something naughty also.
शादीशुदा आदमी.
Oh, I meant I don't have to.
All right, you guys got the answers?
Yes.
You guys, would you like to guess before they do? Yes, sir. 180?
Oh fuck.
All right. I've taught my beta well, huh? Always
Stop
put on.
saying.
Rahul, how much? 75. Janvi, what is the answer? 200 rupees in Biswa? 7,200.
I don't know what quality you guys are using.
And the answer is...
Hey! कल ही
Well
करेंगे.
done. You're syncing with that guy. Adar Malik gets 10 points out of this round. And just as a
आटे दाल
surprise,
का भाव पता नहीं है मुझे लेकिन
लेकिन कंडोम के विषय में
Condom.
टाइगर है टाइगर.
guys, that means we've come to the end of Yeah Kitna Ka Hai. Give a round of applause to all our contestants. The scores after round 2 and just for round 2 are Janvi with 10 points, Biswa with 22 points, Adar Malik with 28 points, Rahul Subramanian with 20 points. Alright guys, our next round is word. Yeah! So we're gonna do one word round. Could I please have the
मैंने अपना बोनस काट दिया है.
in this round, I'll be getting a word from the audience. You guys then have to guess what the word is.
Okay.
If you guess right, wow, that's never happened in the history of the game show. But if you don't, then you have to justify why your word is closest to the word on the piece of paper.
Got it.
तुम लोग क्या है?
Oh no,
Maroon
guys,
का
this is the
feminine.
word.
wow.
What is the word? We'll start with you, Rahul.
इतने लोग खुश हुए. Sex.
You're giving the rest of them clues. Adar, what is the word?
I'm guessing it's some orgasm.
Janvi, what is the word?
Whipped cream.
Dictionary.
The word is
Wow.
Tinder.
Oh.
खत्म नहीं.
However, we're not going to make this easy for you guys. In this round, you guys will be giving the voices for each other. We are going to play a game that you're going to see on the Improv All-Stars Games Night on Amazon Prime video called Crosstalk. So how this works is this way: you're going to give Janvi's voice. Janvi, you're going to give Rahul's voice. Rahul, you're going to give Adar's voice. And Adar, you're going to give Biswa's voice. All right. Janvi, what was your word?
Whipped cream.
Now you have to justify why whipped cream is closest to Tinder. But Janvi will be mouthing it while he gives the words for this round.
Whipped cream is essential if you want to convert your Tinder date into success night. Everybody orders coffee. What's your specialty, motherfucker?
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, give it up for Janvi, ladies and gentlemen. Janvi, you will now be speaking for Rahul, and you have to relate why sex is closest to Tinder.
Okay. So. What? My name is Rahul, by the way. What I actually go and do on Tinder is a research. It's an analysis of how many people actually get laid when they swipe right. Right? What are the qualities of actually getting laid on Tinder? Because sex is something that not a lot of people have been getting out of Tinder. That's why sex and Tinder. How? Why? Why, people? Why? Why do you go for sex on Tinder? Tell me. Tell you. Me. Tell what? What are you laughing at? This is the truth. I'm telling you right now.
All right, give it up for Janvi and Rahul. Okay, Adar, your word was orgasm. Rahul, you'll be giving the voice for Adar, explaining why orgasm is closest to Tinder.
Since the advent of social media, what we as collective human beings have experienced is that human beings not only want to live, survive, but they also want to procreate. Now, there are not many different ways to procreate. Some people have sex, some people adopt. You see where I'm going with this? All right, I'll explain. If you go online on social media like Tinder, you are looking not only for the match of your night, but also someone who can give you the pleasures that the great Augustus Caesar used to get. That's my point, ladies and gentlemen.
Give it up for Adar. Wait, how is orgasm related? Okay.
I don't know, his... कुछ भी बोलता है मेरे को यार. अपना कैसा to the point.
All right, Biswa, your word was dictionary.
Yes.
Adar will be giving your voice for you. Take it away.
Dictionaries are very important with regard to Tinder. Tinder is a made-up word. If you go through the dictionary, there is no Tinder. I can show you right now. Give me a T. Give me an I. Give me an N. Give me a D. Give me an E. Give me an R. But you can't find it in the dictionary. I wish Tinder didn't have right swipe, but you had to dance in front of your phone to get to your like. That is how. Dictionaries have words. And Tinder has the meanings.
Give it up for Adar and Biswa, ladies and gentlemen. So why are you doing dumb charades?
So let's all do Biswa.
To keep things fresh.
Let's all do Biswa.
Alright guys, we've come to the end of the round. Word! We'll be giving the points to Adar and Biswa, 10 points each. Which means after the round word, the scores are as following. Rahul Subramanian on 0. Adar Malik on 10 points. Janvi Dave on 0. And Biswa Kalyan Rath on 30 points. Alright, so are you ready for your last round?
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
Alright,
Very
for
Do
this
this.
round, all of you will be coming and lining up over here. Alright.
Like models.
Yeah. Now you'll take.
Excellent.
This game is called. Oh wait, can you move? Just see this. Sorry. Just move just so we. It's called Shayari. This is the last round called Shayari. Now you can go back.
Now we can start.
Thank you so much. It's called Shayari because what's going to happen is you guys are going to improvise on the spot beautiful Shayaris for our audience members. An object that they will give us. Could we please have an object, ladies and gentlemen? Any object. An iron box. The object is iron box. Adab. Allah Akbar. Irshad.
Ishad.
दुनिया में सब बराबर है.
वाह वाह. Equal rights.
दुनिया में सब बराबर है, चाहे वो मर्द हो या स्त्री.
Mashallah.
Progressive.
सही.
तो अगली बार अगर कपड़े में पड़ जाए क्रीज, तो मर्दों खुद से करो स्त्री.
मैसेज था.
मैसेज
Mashallah.
अच्छा मैसेज डाला है. इक्वालिटी.
मेरे दिमाग में बहुत टाइम से है एक टू मिस्ट्री.
वाह कंफ्यूजन दिमाग में.
मेरे दिमाग बहुत टाइम से एक मिस्ट्री. कौन साला इन्वेंट किया स्त्री?
वाह.
अर्ज किया है.
इरशाद.
इरशाद. आशीर्वाद.
ऑर्गेनिक आटा.
लकड़े में सिलवट हो तो बुलाइए मिस्त्री.
वाह. कारपेंटर.
लकड़े में सिलवट हो तो बुलाइए मिस्त्री. शर्ट में सिलवट हो तो लगाइए
स्त्री.
Mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Astaghfirullah.
मैं गया डॉक्टर के पास.
अरे बाप रे, क्यों हो रहा है?
अरे दुनिया को पता है तुम्हारी बीमारी.
मैं गया डॉक्टर के पास.
MBBS.
यस. उसने कहा यू हैव द हार्ट ऑफ अ लायन. मैं गया डॉक्टर के पास. उसने कहा यू हैव द हार्ट ऑफ अ लायन.
शेर.
लेकिन बेटा यू हैव द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयरन.
And at the end of this round, guys, give it up for Biswa, Adar, Rahul, and Janvi. you resume your positions. I have with me the winners in my hand before I announce
You have the winners in your hand.
I have the name of the winners in my hand before I announce them. I just want to let you guys know.
You said winners.
Winner. I have the winner in my hand. Name. I have the name of the winner in my hand.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Which
Before-
hand?
My right hand. Before I announce it, I just want to tell you guys that you guys did a great job, didn't they?
Yes.
Yes. And even though there is one winner and the rest of you will be losers, it doesn't mean that your career is over, because it probably means that you have 1 month left. So make the most of it. The winner of the General Fun Game Show, episode 4, which means you are the general most fun person of episode 4, it's not on 42 points, Janvi. It's not her. But Janvi gets 40 points. On 47 points, it's not Rahul Subramanian. On 67 points, it's not Adar Malik. Big cheer for you, big cheer. Which means on 87 points, it is Biswa Kalyan.
Nepotism. Nepotism.
Biswa, congratulations. I have a prize for you.
I would like to thank my mom, my dad. They have been very supportive.
Wait, because what's my prize?
Guys, we got...
Oh fuck!
Guys, I got a hamper that is sponsored by the sponsors.
Google Pixel.
Wait, what? It's a sponsor.
What?
You took it from my house.
1 second. Guys, this is a gift from our sponsors, who is me. And it's things that I don't want from my house. So I have some t-shirts that don't fit me and people gave it to me. It's an old some t-shirts. I have some tea. I haven't opened it. New tea. It's just a sweet. Some South
What is that
African,
white stuff on the shirt?
South African artifacts.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
That's
Very
मेरे को
cool.
लगा टॉयलेट साफ करने का.
Some plastic straws, eco-friendly.
Yeah, this one needs them.
Straws? I mean reusable. Sorry, reusable straws. Yeah.
होना
There's a
चाहिए था
book
वैसे.
on 1,000 questions, the greatest quiz book ever known.
Nice.
I found it backstage.
Very
And then I have for you a Google Pixel phone.
Yeah.
Right?
खाली डब्बा है ना.
It's not Kali Dabba.
Must say OnePlus is better.
It's an actual phone. It's my old phone. It fell in the toilet. It doesn't work. But for 20,000 rupees, you can fix it and you have a whole new, brand new phone.
Wow.
So that is something. So congratulations, Biswa Kalyan Rath. Thank you, Janvi Dave, for playing Adar Malik, Rahul Subramanian. You guys have been such a great audience. Big round of applause for yourselves. What do Biswa Kalyan Rath, Radhika Vaz, Adar Malik, Janvi Dave, Danish Seth and Rahul Subramanian have in common? They're going to be part of a new and exciting show hosted by me, Kanis Sirka, coming out soon on Amazon Prime Video.